Guangdong Newera Packing Material Company Limited specializes in producing various kinds of adhesive tape and packing materials for more than 30 years. Our main products include BOPP packing tape, printed tape, collared tape, stationery tape, double-side tape, masking tape, craft paper tape, foam tape, aluminum foil tape, and adhesive glue. Newera Group was established in 1986. We are one of the largest adhesive tape manufacturers in Guangdong, China. Our factory covers an area of 65 acres. We have more than 180 employees, including 35 intermediate and senior engineering technical personnel. Now, we have 15 advanced production lines for adhesive tape and glue producing, automatic coating lines, automatic striping machine, and clean room workshop. Newera, Toyo, Wei Long are our registered brands, and Newera is the famous trademarks of Guangdong Province. In 2006, we have passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System Authentication, SGS Environmental Detection, BSCI Certificate, FSC. Some of our products passed UL authentication. The market covers high-class packaging, protection sticker, and anti-fake labeling. Our goods are best-selling both at local China and abroad. We will keep our good spirit and efforts to supply excellent products and best service for customers. Warmly welcome to visit our factory, and feel free to communicate with us for further cooperation.